Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
I never liked new car smell.
Tombe was doing 20 to life in a Moroccan impound.
Aku akan menarik kalian.
Terima kasih. Ini pegangan yang erat. Kita akan naik.
Baiklah.
You need tires? Stop by Luigi's Casa delle Tires, home of the Leaning Tower of Tires.
Hou op met hikken, soldaat. Dit is een bevel.
Neem een slokje water.
You want to know the forecast? I'll give you the forecast. 100% chance of thunder.
Halo. Ah? Selamat siang. Ini serem.
Persistent little bugger for a two-cylinder. Finally, I said, all right.
I hereby dub the...
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Look here, boys. We got us a couple of rookies. I'm gonna call you Muddy.
What are you doing, kid?
I think the king should finish his last.
¿Alguien conoce a Rayo McQueen? Hoy que es el más veloz de...
Thanks, guys!
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil companies got a grip on the government. They're feeding us.
A Chick Hicks ha perseguido el título toda su carrera. Chick creyó que este era su año, Bob. And you're feeling lonely, lost and let down.
Spending missile, but you're dead.
Then this shouldn't hurt at all.
Well, I create feelings in others they themselves don't understand, and blah, 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 blah.
¿Qué les pasa? ¿Se dan por vencidos? ¡Ah! ¡Tras él! ¡Ah!
¡Tú puedes, cariño! ¡Ve por la copa!
Ramon will paint you up right. Hey, anything you want. You know, like the flame job.
Don't worry, Mama! The queen is very sad. I will be...
Oh, man! Whoever does the voice of that biggie truck, I'm telling you, he's one great actor.
Oh, hey there, champ. I heard you're selling mud flaps after today. Is that true? Hey, you put me down for...
But since you cleared your calendar, why don't you come with us? I'm looking for someone named